Well, good evening. Ira Epstein with your Metal Market Wrap-Up, and this wrap-up is for the evening as we're here now on Wednesday, the 23rd of August, 2023, 6:15 p.m. Central Time. So finally, we got the NVIDIA out of the way. I'll give the numbers and everything in the financial market update. I don't think it belongs here in the metal update. Suffice to say, the NASDAQ is up 134 points on the news. We had a solid short covering rally in all the metals today. The dollar peaked out. Perfect. If you're a subscriber of mine in my morning videos, you got to be jumping up and down perfectly against the 103.90 level. And we're starting to lift in some of the other currencies tonight. Bonds and notes, they had a rally today. They're giving back a little bit right now. So what's really going on? Let's get away from the video and talk the futures markets mainly. The market, obviously, tonight is the first debate. So without President Trump, I don't know if there's going to be everybody that they wanted there. One of the gentlemen got hurt, as I understand, playing basketball. I don't know if he'll make it on the stage or not. But this is where the field starts to wear itself down. First off, getting 7, 8 people on a stage and trying to get your message across, extremely difficult if you've ever done any debating. You don't have enough time, you can't get to make your point, and they're already shutting you off. Very difficult. Number two, this is that 15 minutes of fame. A lot of us don't know some of these people that are up there. They're more known in their home states or wherever they're from than they are here. We certainly know DeSantis, we know Ramaswamy, we know the bigger names, we know Pence. But after that, after Christie, who's a big name, it really starts dropping off. So the question is, for the Nikki Haley's and the other, can they make enough good showing here to keep going? Or do their donors just go, we gave you that, we tried, it's just not in the polls enough, and that's that. So the drop-offs are going to begin. Who's going to steal the day tomorrow will be the Donald. He'll be on tonight with Tucker Carlson, too. But, I think it's going to be more fun to watch these other guys debate than what the president says. I can go watch that another time, the ex-president. I want to hear live what these people do. So I told my wife I'm going to run out buy a pizza tonight. Nearly 100 degrees in Chicago without humidity, by the way. We hit 99 in the city. We're going to hit tomorrow 100. 2 days of extreme heat. You don't want to be outside. You want to just do things like this and enjoy it. Obviously, in the stock market, everything was about what was going to suck up the air in the video. The over-under was 10% point move either way. It went up 10%, by the way, from the close and stopped like on a dime as the option traders stepped in and took some money there so that they were pretty well covered. All right. When we look at the gold market, getting a little bit of a bounce, not a trend change per se. The momentum is still down. You're under the 18-week average of closes. You're getting that bounce finally. We had been going a bit sideways. Now the market's giving you the first bounce, but it's out of the downtrend. Why is it out of the downtrend? It's not today that took it out of the downtrend. It was yesterday that took it out. Once you crossed that high, you actually had an outside day up. If you're taking the outside day course, this was the call on it. And that reversed this trend. Now, that doesn't mean you're in an uptrend. It reverses, or better word is it negates that downtrend. That pattern, lower highs, lower lows, comes to an end. And when you overdo something like you did here, whatever that word overdone, whatever it is, you get a relief, a bounce the other way. If you go up like that, you get a break the other way. You never know how deep it or how hard it's going to rally, but that's typically what happens. Where do you stop normally? Right at the 18-day average of closes. The extremes to the up, pull back, fight battles. To the down, come back, pull the battles. That's often what happens. I cannot use the word always because nothing's always in life but death and taxes. Everything else is what the probabilities are. So I see this market as being one that it neutralized the downtrend, but I don't know what it is right now. When I take a look at the momentum on the slow stochastic, you tell me that this didn't call the trend. Let's go back. Right here, you're embedded. You're now coming up. You lose the embedded on this day, Tuesday. Today's only Wednesday. The market was at 1926. The goal is, can you get to wherever the 18-day average is? Tell me what you did. Okay? That's basically that theory that I have as to what happens with that. And I use that all the time in trading, all right? Trying to come in and out of markets, understanding that. It's just so darn important. It's easy to understand. It's in my enhanced Bollinger Band course on our website, iraepstein.com, under education. It doesn't get any easier than that, in understanding it at least. Straight down move. Did I not tell you that they pulled the rubber band on the silver? Silver exploded over the past. It was just 22.39. Today it goes to 24.43. By any stretch, that's a monster move, not a little move. Do I think it was fresh buying? No. I think that was the reaction from this downside. And once again, the shorts were in and boom. What else? I think that you're in this period now of thinner trading. You don't have the thickness of the bids and offers, and you won't until we get beyond now Labor Day. And you have to adjust your trading accordingly. You've got to be very careful now. These markets will move like rockets. I was watching sugar this morning, of all things, 75 points out of nowhere. I get what's moving it, the lack of depth in bids and offers. Copper market has just come here from 367, 17 cents higher, straight up. But again, this was this break that got a correction. So do I think it's going to have trouble right here? Big time. Is it a sell signal? No. Is it a buy signal? No. There are reasons when you lost the embedded reading to come out of the market and call it a day. It's really that simple. And that's all that I was truly looking for. No more than that. So you get that reading, watch, you'll see. Right here. Right here. You're still embedded 15, 22 and a half. So the market is sitting at 375. I'm looking for at least the 18-day average of 382.80. Market goes there. Now I'm at 378.85. I'm not at the 382.80. And boom. I get to the 18-day average. That's all I'm looking for. I'll let you do something beyond that. That's not what I'm looking at like. In the platinum, Bollinger Band top. I don't care what anybody wants to tell me. The odds of that stopping this market are big time. Does it have to? No. But only 5% of the time do you go over or under the Bollinger Band on a closing basis. Well, if that's the thing, we've just come off this market from the 880s. You're up nicely. You're overbought. I'm looking for the market to have trouble right now. In the dollar index, game over for me. Got up there. I don't want to go through the Jackson Hole meeting for my clients, and I told them that. I said, I think you got to be in a cash position in the currency markets, and I love currencies. And I said, patience, but if we can get anything into that area there, and you got it, you know you got it, I said, out, out, out. It's in my videos, and I'm thrilled as can be. Again, my morning subscriber video, it's all there. And what I wrote last night, I think I wrote last night 103.87. I forgot if it was 83.5 or 87. It was right in that range. And bingo, you hit there, gone. You hit 90.5 today. So I said, it's like a dream come true. I don't want to be in. I didn't expect that you were going to close lower at 103.33. I can tell you that. It didn't matter. I don't care if it went even higher. I wanted my clients to be out. So you put it together, you come up with game plans, and that's what my job is with you, trying to come up with a game plan. We have offerings galore to teach. We're brokers. We want to work with you. It's not just about the offerings, it's what it is. Not everybody, and the reason you're watching this, is equipped to do all the trading on their own. Sometimes they need to talk to somebody. What's Ira say? What would he do here? What would he do there? Things like that. We offer all that. So you decide, is that more for you? The whole name of the game is trying to be right. I'm not saying that if you follow me, you're going to be right. But it's a lot better than the lonely trading of what do I do? Where do I go here? And you're getting all these opinions on the market and you get confused by them. We try to set and help you with that. You're only seeing 6 of the offerings. This goes way down. How do you take advantage? It's simple. Go to our website, iraepstein.com. go to free offers or move your cursor right up here if you're on a PC of any type. Boom, give it a click. You'll be in there. Take advantage of what you want. Now, I have asked people for my Spider ETF what markets they want me to cover tomorrow because I'm going to drop NVIDIA. I told you I would go through it today. That's it. In my financial market, I'll give you all the numbers that NVIDIA did, and we'll talk a little bit about that and then go on because it is going to be the market mover tonight early in the morning. I'm Ira. You have a great day. Watch the debate. I'll see you tomorrow.